now like to introduce ErgoSuture. ErgoSuture is a medical technology company driving innovation through advanced suturing systems. Its proprietary solutions are designed by surgeons for surgeons to replicate open surgery suture outcomes, the gold standard in laparoscopic and robotic surgery. Please welcome Claude Nogard, co-founder and CEO of ErgoSuture.
Hi, good morning. Thank you, Anthony, for the introduction and for the opportunity to present before you today. We all have relatives or friends, who have suffered or are suffering from a heart condition. So what you might not know is that many of them cannot benefit from surgical interventions. So we design advanced suturing systems that replicate open surgery suture outcomes in hard-to-reach locations like the heart. So more patients with heart problems can benefit from life-saving surgeries. The heart valves, the heart has four valves. The mitral valve is the most difficult to repair, and mitral valve regurgitation is also the most common valve defect. Millions of patients cannot undergo surgery because of either comorbidities, left ventricular atrophy, and/or old age. Consequently, less than 1% of patients are treated every year, while 49% who would benefit from surgery have no choice other than receive, medication or be monitored. Our solution is a suture-based transcatheter repair system that we deploy in the mitral valve cavity using a device that will look like this one. Our competitive advantage lies in our ability to use sutures to anchor the implant instead of screws or helical anchors, which are proven to dislodge. The catheter is inserted to the patient's femoral artery and guided using a 3D echo to the left atrium, where the ring is deployed before being anchored with stitches. ErgoSuture roller-based technology allows suturing in other hard-to-reach locations, such as in laparoscopic surgery, robotic surgery, and endoluminal surgery. Our total addressable market is over $5 billion, with the biggest opportunity being in transcatheter application, which is about $3 billion. 84% of our pre-seed investors are surgeons, and we already have 20 to 5 published patents. We have also completed our first roller-based suture system, the drive and roll, which is a 5mm laparoscopic needle driver to be launched in 2024. So let me tell you more about the drive and roll. It's a handheld mechanical needle driver, which looks and feels like a straight shaft needle driver to provide familiarity to the surgeon, generally reluctant to use new technologies. The innovation comes from the rollers that surgeons can actuate using a trigger pull instead of torquing their wrist. This provides greater control of the needle when passing through tissue and expedite the needle handling. The drive and roll is a 510K, class 2 device that is intended initially to use in general surgery, urology, and gynecology procedures. Drive and roll technology is the only roller-based technology that can be used across all surgical platforms, can use any needles, and also basically cut down suturing time. We have an experienced team backed by a deep bench of business advisors, and we have more than 20 years of experience on average with a proven track record of startup creation and exit. We are currently raising $5 million to complete our first product and registration in the US. For this raise, we are open to equity, Regulation D, or convertible note. This will be followed by a $40 million Regulation A+ fundraising to basically launch our drive and roll, but also complete our medical programs such as the human clinical trial for the mitral valve application. If everything goes as planned, we will break even around 2026 ahead of a possible M&A or IPO. We have already raised $6 million for our surgeons network, and the proceeds of the $5 million raise, we support our product development and registration, as well as supporting our launch for the Regulation A+ campaign. So once again, thank you for the opportunity and looking forward to present to you in the book.